When this vile mom's past was exposed through evidence of substance abuse and disturbing allegations, this man showed you why a great attorney makes all the difference.
Now, let's go back. We talked about these outcries by Mason. As a result of outcries of sexual abuse to you, did you started him in therapy?
Yes, sir.
And later, did Mason make an outcry of sexual abuse to the counselor?
Yes, he did.
And as a result, did the counselor contact Child Protective Services?
Yes, sir.
And did they start an investigation along with the Colleyville Police Department?
Yes, sir.
And Colleyville's, because that's where you live, in Colleyville, correct?
Yes, sir.
Did you take Mason to the Child Advocacy Center in Tarrant County for a forensic interview?
Yes, sir.
And petitioner's 16 admitted into evidence is a summary of that forensic interview made by the Colleyville Police Department, correct?
Correct.
And that does indicate in the forensic interview of Mason that he made outcries of sexual abuse against him by his mother, correct?
Correct.
And Mason was highly concerned that the same thing was going to happen to his younger brother.
Correct.
And that was investigated by CPS, Tarrant County, and Colleyville Police, but Tarrant County couldn't prosecute because those offenses had not occurred in Tarrant County, correct?
Correct.
CPS wrapped up its investigation, as reflected in petitioner's 15, with a finding of reason to believe sexual abuse committed by mother against Mason, correct?
Correct.
And then you've continued to take him as needed to a therapist, correct?
Correct.
And he's now at the point where the therapist says you can bring him as needed. He may need it later as he goes through puberty and starts to age, correct?
Correct.
And there's a petitioner's 33 indicates that in August of 2023, mother tested positive as a violation of her bond for cocaine, methamphetamine, amphetamine, and alcohol, correct?
That's what I understand. Yes.
All right, and that ultimately she pled guilty to the DWI felony is on probation, correct?
Correct.
All right, thank you. I'll pass the witness, Your Honor.
Okay, and counsel, you have 54 seconds left.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
And we would like to.
I definitely understand the concern when it comes to unsupervised access. I just wouldn't want because Mason is so old, and I don't want to put words in his mouth, but even reading the custody evaluation, I mean, he loves his mom. It's clear that he loves his mom, and I wouldn't want him to not see her at all. So that's the court's dilemma right now.
If we were going to do supervised, we would propose 2 hours a month and at mother's expense, and we set it up that way.
So this is what the court is going to do. The court is going to take this under advisement. I'll get you all a ruling out on Monday.
Very good.